So food safety is definitely the biggest challenge that food and beverage manufacturers face. Keeping track of lots, FIFO rotation, labeling, and other compliance kind of requirements requires a high degree of control. Without a doubt, the most cost-effective automation project that a food and beverage manufacturer or distributor can undertake is a warehouse management system. Since food and beverage is always lot controlled, an automated data collection system to track inventory movement is an absolute must. Food products have a very high turnover, meaning they move in and out very quickly. So any project that will facilitate transacting and reduce friction will be a significant benefit for the enterprise. The cost associated with not having highly automated best practices in place translates into higher wages to accomplish the same amount of work, which comes right out of the bottom line. Quality management is one of those areas that gets implemented in a highly manual and paper-based method before our clients call Attivo. Once the paper system is in place, there's a lot of inertia to overcome to transform that part of the organization to a digital reality. Because of our domain knowledge and experience in complex industries such as food and beverage, we're highly qualified to provide a quality management system and the guidance it takes to implement it as a digital system as compared to a paper-based system.